Peace be upon you and your family. 12th Chemistry Refresher Course Model Unit 4 Periodic Table and Periodic Properties Answer Key Student Activity and Assessment. First, student activity we are going to discuss. Question number 1 is compare the ionization energies of the following: beryllium and boron, nitrogen and oxygen. Beryllium atomic number 4, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Boron atomic number 5, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p1. The ionization energy of beryllium is greater than that for boron. Beryllium ionization energy is greater than boron. The actual ionization energy of beryllium and boron are: beryllium 899 kilojoule mole power minus 1 and boron 800 kilojoule mole power minus 1 respectively, contrary to the expectation. What we expected? Boron nuclear charge is higher than that for beryllium. We expect the ionization energy of boron is greater than that for beryllium, but actually beryllium ionization energy is greater than that for boron. Why? It is due to the fact that beryllium with completely filled 2s orbital is more stable than partially filled valency shell electronic configuration of boron. Removal of electron from 2s orbital is very difficult when compared with the boron. Boron, after loss of this one electron, very easily it get the completely filled electronic configuration. Come to the second day. Nitrogen atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p3, and that for oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p4. Nitrogen with 1s2 2s2 2p3 electronic configuration has higher ionization energy. That means 1402 kilojoule mole power minus 1 than oxygen 1314 kilojoule mole power minus 1. Since the half-filled electronic configuration is more stable, it requires higher energy to remove an electron from 2p orbital of nitrogen. Whereas the removal of one 2p electron from oxygen leads to a stable half-filled electronic configuration. After loss of one electron from 2p orbital, oxygen get half-filled electronic configuration. This makes comparatively easy to remove one electron from 2p orbital of oxygen. Students activity number 2. Compare the electron affinity of the following: the tendency to gain one electron. Usually non-metals gain electron. Fluorine and chlorine. First, fluorine and chlorine. The electron affinity of chlorine is higher than fluorine. Because of fluorine is the smallest atom in the second period of the periodic table with more electron density. Therefore, addition of electron is not easy in fluorine. Come to noble gases. All the noble gases have stable ns2 np6 electronic configuration, and the addition of further electron is unfavorable and requires energy. Therefore, the electron affinity of noble gases is 0. Electron affinity of noble gases is equal to 0. Assessment part. Which of the following has the highest first ionization potential? Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and boron. These are the second period element. Atomic number 5, 6, 7 and 8. When we compare nitrogen and oxygen, atomic number 7 and 8, nitrogen has half-filled electronic configuration of 2p3 and oxygen 2p4. Because of the half-filled electronic configuration, it is more stable. The ionization energy of nitrogen is higher when compared with the oxygen due to this half-filled electronic configuration. Which of the following element has maximum electron affinity? Fluorine, sulfur, iodine and chlorine. Among the periodic table 118 element, Chlorine is the highest electron affinity element. What is diagonal relationship? Diagonal relationship. On moving diagonally across the periodic table, the second and third period elements show certain similarities. Even though the similarities is not same as we see in a group, it is quite pronounced in the following pair of elements. Lithium, magnesium, there is a diagonal relationship. These beryllium and aluminum and boron and silicon, they are having similar properties, physical properties. The similarity in property existing between the diagonally placed element is called diagonal relationship. Fourth question assessment. Give the general electronic configuration of lanthanoids and actinoids. Lanthanoids 4f1 to 14, 5d0, 1, 6s2. Actinoid 5f0 to 14, 60 to 2, 7s2. Electronic configuration of lanthanoids and actinoids. Come to the fifth assessment. Write the differences between electron affinity and electronegativity. Electron affinity, electronegativity. Electron affinity is defined as the amount of energy released required in the case of noble gases. When an electron is added to the valency cell of an isolated neutral gaseous atom in its ground state to form its anion is called electron affinity. Electronegativity, it is defined as the relative tendency of an element present in a covalently bonded molecule to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself is called electronegativity. Electron affinity, it is expressed in kilojoule mole power minus 1. Electronegativity is not a measurable quantity. The electron affinity generally increases across a period from left to right. Same thing, the electronegativity generally increases across a period from left to right. The electron affinity generally decreases down a group. The electronegativity generally decreases down a group. My dear students, in this video we discussed unit 3 periodic table and periodic properties. All the answers we discussed. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.